sheet metal design. CATIA 3D Experience allows you to design sheet metal parts using the CATIA Sheet Metal app. Let's see some of the main features in this video. In order to support the motorcycle headlight, a metal bracket needs to be designed. The part will fix the new headlight to the fork metallic tubes. The first step of the design is to declare sheet metal properties like the thickness or type of bend extremities. Then, a first wall is created from the 3D wireframe elements. CATIA Sheet Metal is a feature-based application created especially to design sheet metal parts. You first create a sheet metal shape, then use a dedicated feature to refine the part, and finish by creating the manufacturing steps. The next step is to create a rolled wall by creating a new sketch. Finally, the global shape of this bracket is obtained by combining the two walls with the bend feature. The bend radius, linked to the sheet metal properties, can be changed manually. After that, we refined and add details to the part. A hole is created to fix the headlight set with a screw, and a circular stamp on the corner is added to stiffen the part. Next, a flange is created to fix this part to its symmetrical one. Hence, the brackets can be well attached to the metallic tubes of the fork to support the motorcycle headlight. Then you can flatten the part to verify if it can be manufactured. This is one of the most important strengths of the application. At any time, you are able to flatten the part to make sure it's manufacturable, if it can be cut, or to see if the bending process is feasible. Next, a second hole is added to fix the two parts with a screw. Moreover, a stiffener is added in the middle of the part to reinforce this zone. It is typically a process-oriented feature, creating a stiffener just by setting a location. More details are also added, like corners to avoid sharp edges. Or cutout from another 2D sketch. Additional holes are created for fixation. The headlight will be attached by two symmetrical brackets that are going to be fixed together. It is a good solution to change the headlight without disassembling the entire fork. Sheet metal order process definition defines and verifies the different steps of manufacturing. You can merge steps if different cuts, bends, or other processes can be performed in the same machining step. An unfolded view can be saved in DXF format. This view contains important information such as characteristic lines. The ones in green represent the stamping process, and the bends are in red. Moreover, the application allows you to generate automatically the drawings of folded and unfolded views for each and every step of the process. After definition of the shape and detailed steps such as walls, holes, and features of high-end design, sheet metal enables the quick creation of the operation sequence.